Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's a bit different today. As you saw, there's no intro, there's no music, there's nothing. That's because I'm going to be doing the strip down challenge, which is basically where you don't edit a video, you don't do anything to it, you can't even add in your intro, and like that's why you saw me hit play or record or whatever, because I'm gonna be talking for 10 minutes, basically explaining stuff about the vlogs, why I started, and basically like all that sort of fun stuff, because I don't have a video idea this week, and I know I've missed like 2 weeks of vlogging, but I do want to explain that situation as well. Okay, so we're gonna start from the start. 2 weeks ago I went to a rowing weekend. If you saw the rowing weekend vlog that went up this week, that happened like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I'm not even sure now, but it went up late, and the reason for that was because the file kept saying it was rejecting the file, and I was like, why is that happening? It doesn't reject files. This is the same file I've uploaded every single time. And you can tell by that because I have the same watermark at the top of every video, like here, there's going to be a watermark here, hello, or maybe here, I could be wrong, but it's because that's just the way I edit, so I can like compress it and make it a smaller file so that it can be uploaded, but I'm not going into those kind of details. But basically, that couldn't go up, and it took me less than a day to edit that, but it took me a while considering there was an hour and a half of footage, and that had to be crammed into, I think it was like 6 or 7 minutes, which is okay. So yeah, because there were some really boring parts that I didn't really need to go into, and still there are some boring parts in the vlog, but oh well. Anyway, so basically that's really that situation, why it didn't go up. But I also took a break from vlogging because I didn't vlog all of that week, and like I did have spare time, and I just didn't vlog, and I didn't make a video, and I was like, what's going on? This is so like unlike me. I should be doing something. And the reason I started this YouTube channel was not to gain subscribers, was not to like get recognition for whatever I do. It's so that I have something fun to do, like as a hobby. So I don't expect subscribers, and I don't expect people to watch, which is fine for me. Like I don't want to become that kind of person. I don't want to become a famous YouTuber, but not that it's a bad thing, and I don't know why I'm smiling about it, but like it seems so unrealistic. Like for where people, like in Australia, there are quite a few famous like YouTubers in Australia, but it's so much harder to become a famous YouTuber in Australia than it is to like in America or someplace like that, or like the UK, or even like Sweden. Like I know so many Sweden bloggers, and they're like really good, and they get so many subscribers and stuff, but I just don't want to do that when I'm older. That's just something that I'm not really interested in. But I kind of like sharing these vlogs because I know some of my family watches, and my family live in South Africa, so obviously and some in America even, and they get to watch and see what's going on in my daily life, which is pretty cool. And then I'll get like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, so moving on from that topic as well, when I was younger, I really wanted to be, like when I was like 3 years old, I was going to be a rock star. I was going to be that rock star. And by the age of 6, I was like, you know what, I don't want to be a rock star anymore. I want to be a fairy, like the fairies in the fairies, like the TV show, like the ones with Harmony and Rhapsody. Like I really wanted to be like them, so I would like watch them pretty much every day, and I have this soundtrack and stuff, and like I would really want to be that. And then when I started watching Spy Kids at like the age of 9, I was going to be a government spy, and I was going to get all those cool gadgets and like work for them and like go on my own secret missions. And then when I was like at the age of 12, I was like, at the age of 11, I was like, I want to be a actor. I really want to act and sing. I'll be a triple threat if I have to. I'll act, sing, dance, whatever, and like I'll do it all. And then at the age of 12, I really wanted to be a lawyer, and at the age where I am now, 14, I want to be a videographer, but I want to edit videos. Which is like, it's hard. Yeah, it is hard. And I've come to recognize that, considering we did a thing in one of my classes called Be Your Own Money Manager, and one of the questions we had to ask was on the first day we had to say, okay, well, where do we want to live when we're older? And I think I said somewhere like Sydney and in Australia, and I was like, I really want to live in Sydney, because then I can live opposite the harbour bridge and be there on New Year's, and I can live like near a ferry, which means it's not a lot of money to get a car and stuff like that, and there's a great university there, and I really wanted to do that sort of stuff. And then I was like, wait, but if I want to be a videographer, it's hard to do that in Sydney, so I would have to go someplace else. So I would have to figure out which route I'd want to take to like which career. And like I know it's weird, like we shouldn't even be talking about career options at this point, like we're in year 9, which seems so soon. I don't know what my dog's doing, but it seems so soon and so weird. Milo, no, okay baby, you have to get out. And so it just seems so weird that like we're just like expected to choose our subjects now that are going to influence us in like 3 or 4 years time, and it's like, if you choose the wrong path, well then like, can you restart? It's kind of like that. And I still don't know really what I want to be yet, but it doesn't really concern me at the current moment. It's just annoying how next year we would have to choose subjects, and next year we also take a test deciding, or like helping us decide which career option we do. And like the test would be like, oh, draw this with your left hand, draw this with your right hand, memorize this, what is the answer to this, if you had this and this, which one would you choose? It's like that sort of questions. And like I know like my friend, she got like be like a psychologist, and she doesn't want to be a psychologist. So I was like, okay, well then like what are your other options? Sorry, also I'm outside, like I'm under this tree, and I don't know how much this is going to affect the noise, but see, that's the kind of things that go through my mind when filming a video. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of my career point of view so far. It's not even a career thing, it's like my life, where I'm at, what I want to be. And currently I am at a school that has a very strong music program, and I love it. I love music. Music is literally like, it's so good. Without music, I don't know what I would be doing. But yeah, so music is kind of my rock solid subject, which I'll probably keep for the rest of my schooling years. And our school like provides a really good music program, so that's good. Like I will probably continue with music, which is probably one of the reasons why I might not become a videographer if I want to do something in music. But I really want to help produce music. I don't want to be the actual producer. I want to manage. I probably want to be a manager. If I was to do something in music, I'd be a manager. Yeah, I think I'd be a manager. Yeah, because at this point, like, it seems so unrealistic to become an artist, to become an actress, to become famous on YouTube. Like, it just seems so unrealistic and impossible that it just doesn't work. But that's kind of my situation at the moment. I think that is about the end of this video. I am sorry for not uploading. As I said, there was no content, there was literally nothing, and then this video came into my head because I saw it somewhere online. I'm not even sure where, but I was like, you know what, let's just do this quick, easy, and then I don't have to edit it, which would take so long. But anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you want me to go into more detail of what happened within the 2 weeks that I wasn't vlogging, I mean, I can, it's not really that important, but I mean, I can, so just let me know in the comment section below. I think that rhymes. Anyway, love you, bye.